Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the EV Research Show for Beginner. Today, I want to talk about Tesla Battery Day. Battery Day presentation was a little bit difficult. I think some people are confused. I want to explain a little here. I would like to focus on the range increase in this figure. 16% of range increase due to the cell design, which means shape change from 2170 battery to 4680 battery. And this range increase doesn't include the item of battery chemistry improvement. Battery chemistry improvement gives 20% of range increase by anode material and 4% of range increase by cathode material. And mass reduction gives 14% of range increase, which written here, cell vehicle integration. The important thing is these three items have a vertical integration relation. In the other word, range increase can calculate from multiplication of three items. Correctly, it must be explained by following calculation. Cell design factor is 1.16. Battery chemistry improvement factor is 1.2. And mass reduction factor is 1.1. Multiplying these coefficients gives range increase factor 1.54. This calculation gives 54% of range increase. So the improvement of battery chemistry gives 20% range increase, not 24%. The improvement of consumption due to mass reduction is 10%, not 14%. It's confusing because this figure written by edition image. As a side note, the volume of 4680 battery and volume of 2170 battery are like this. So the volume ratio is a little over 5 times. This expressed here as energy being 5 times, uh, 16% range increase by cell design is mainly due to the height increase from 70 millimeter to 80 millimeter. As you can see from this calculation. In addition, power increase of 6 times explain battery chemistry. Dividing power by energy give the battery chemistry improvement factor 1.2. The 4680 battery has 29,000 milliamp hour, which can be calculated from this formula. The cell density is 218 milliamp hour per cubic centimeter. But since the battery is face-centered arrangement, it forms hexagonal unit cell. So battery is occupying 90% volume. So the energy density of this battery pack becomes 198 milliamp hour per cubic centimeter. By the way, this is Envision AESC battery mockup, which used for 40 kilowatt NISSAN Leaf. Energy density is calculated like this. It's 126 milliamp hour per cubic centimeter. I think this explains even flat battery cell. It can supply good power. G. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later. Are you thinking Tesla will be winner of car maker? You never know what EV gonna evolve in future.